How to create a free Zoho One account. In this video, I will show you how to create a free Zoho One account. So to get started, go ahead and open zoho.com/one on your browser. And then from here, go ahead and click on this activate free trial to activate your free trial. So as you can see, you can sign up for an account with your personal information. And here, you can also sign up for your Zoho One account using your Google Mail or LinkedIn account. So I'll simply select Google Mail and I'll select my Google Mail account, and that will take you into this section. So if you're outside United States, you'll need to accept this first before you can proceed on creating an account. So make sure to enter the reCAPTCHA or CAPTCHA that you find in here to proceed on creating your account on Zoho One. Now, once you're done, you can go ahead and check this checkbox and then click on this Create Account button. After that, you need to verify your email address. So you need to get your OTP from your Google Mail account. So open your Google Mail account and then open the message that you received from Zoho One. Copy the code and then head back to Zoho and then paste the code and then click on verify. And that will take you into this section. So in here, you need to enter your company name, the portal name for your company, your phone number, and the industry type where your company belongs. So once you're done with this, you can go ahead and click on this Create Account button. And then once this is done, you'll get redirected to your Zoho One dashboard. And that is how you can basically create a free Zoho One account. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.